Friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we have to go on the live price predictions of the Cardano Adda. What's the price change goes in the Cardano, what's the high price, and what is the current price change occur in the Cardano in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hours. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of urgent news and updates videos. Also press the bell icon because the cryptocurrencies urgent videos you have found on ABS Tech channel. So please don't forget to subscribe. Now the last 1 day price prediction of the Cardano Adda, as I told you, the change as negative 1.67%, and the high price of Cardano is $1.24%. Dollar is the high price of Cardano Adda in the last 1 day. Now let's see the last 2 hour price predictions. After that last 1 hour, what's the current change goes in a Cardano Adda. Oh my god, it's absolutely today I'm very happy Cardano Adda. I'm also holder of Cardano Adda. That is why this take a jump, as you can see here. So I'm really happy for this jump. As you can see here, the average change occurred in the Cardano Adda is about in the 2 hour is positive 1.18%, and the high price of Cardano is $1.22 is the high price of Cardano in the previous last 2 hour friends. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. What's the change goes in the currently at this time in the Cardano Adda. Absolutely moving upward, absolutely upward change occur in the Cardano Adda. I like it. I like it. Friends, as you can see here, the change occurred in the Cardano in the last 1 hour, friends. That is a live price prediction. 1.41% change occurred in the Cardano Adda in the last 1 hour, friends. And same like that, the high price of Cardano Adda is $1.22. Very high price they are grows up, and as you can see here, currently at this time they are also moving upward very fastly like a rocket. So my suggestion for all of you, that if you are a Cardano holder, so please hold your Cardano coin with the last of this month, because the big explosion of the Cardano are starts now. In the future they take a very high pumps, so please don't sell Cardano holder at this time, please hold it. I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in these coins, so please do your own research. I'm only give you a suggestion of my, so that is my personal suggestion for you to please hold it. And the current price at this time in the market, the Cardano price is $1.22 is the current price of Cardano in the markets. So hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe for more this kind of urgent videos notification. Thank you so much.